some more Otis Gen 2 MRL Traction lifts at Skydeck at Queen's Wharf in the city. Alright, we'll do a taxi. No call cancel. Oh, it's nice and fast. Maximum load 1275 kilos, 70 person. Installed 2023. Well, my ears stopped. Oh, cancel works. Going down?
Sorry, guys.
Sorry. You going for?
Yes, please.
Have a nice evening.
Thank you.
See ya. And we'll finish it there. Take a look at it. There it goes. That's it.